welcome to a new video, and in this video we are going to learn how to change the lenses out of our RayBan Meta smart glasses. Yes, it is possible, and if you've watched any of my other previous videos, you'll know that a company that sponsors a lot of these videos is called VR Wave, and they make replacement lenses for the RayBan Meta smart glasses. What I tend to do is I tend to get the polarized version because I like to be outside a lot, and I'm also outside filming a lot of action sports, so the glare is a real thing. So I wanted to have the option of having polarized glasses, but what I've very quickly learned is if you get the polarized version, then you're not really using these most of the time, and in a place like England, obviously it gets cloudy and rainy here. So it's always a good idea to have a second pair of lenses, and you can pop these out. But generally, whenever you first pop these out, it's quite tricky. So we're going to do a little tutorial on how to do that. And in order to do that, I'm going to be filming with the Insta360 Go Ultra on this hat mount, and I'm going to look really goofy whilst wearing it, but it should give you a good perspective of my hands so you can see exactly what I'm doing in order to make this work. So the key thing is to push these out from the inside. You're going to push from your thumbs out away from the glasses, and that should pop the glasses out. This is the first time I've done that with these glasses, so we're going to try this here. I'm going to see how easy and hard it is. So so simple. Okay, so my previous pair was a lot more tricky than that, but that is the trick, is to hold the frames and push outwards. Yeah, this one's a little bit more tricky. Okay, cool. So there we have it. Here we have our frames, and you can you can obviously wear them like this if you don't want to have any lenses, but of course you're going to look like an absolute lunatic. So that is where our sponsor VR Wave comes into play. They make all sorts of different options for these RayBan Meta smart glasses, Gen 1 and Gen 2. And you can choose, personally, I don't need prescription lenses, but if you do have a prescription, you can put in all the details on their website and they will make you a pair for cheaper than you can get from the RayBan website. And they're very, very high quality. So they sent me out these clear transition lenses so that I can wear them indoors and outdoors. And they come with these little numbers on them, this little sticker on there, so you know how to mount them onto your glasses. I had the previous version of the transition lenses and I found them very good. They transition from light to dark quite quickly when you go outside. And I briefly tested these outside of the glasses, I just brought them out into the sunlight, and I was very surprised at how quickly they transition. So I think they've improved whatever they were doing with these glasses, with these lenses. So what we'll do is we will insert these into here so you can see how simple that is. And then of course you have this little case where you can then put your previous lenses in there as well, so that whenever you end up in a scenario where you need polarized sunglasses, you can go back to your original ones. So we're going to put the hat on. So this is going to be a little bit trickier, and we're going to be doing these through the front this time. So we want to make sure we have the correct lenses. So this is the right, even though it's on the left. You want to press on the numbers in the right order. So you want to first try and get number 1 in. So you're going to go there, and you're going to press number 2 in. That's going to slide it into the corner. And then finally, you're going to go to number 3. And this is definitely not easy, and it feels like you're going to break your glasses, but you've got to just finagle it. I still need to get this little corner in. There we go. Okay, so it's done nothing to the glasses. They're totally fine. And now we have the lens in here, and it is all good. So we're going to do the same thing with the left lens. So we're going to go in here, we're going to go and try and orient this. We're going to go 1, 2, and then go 1, 2. Like I said, the more times you do this, the easier it gets. Going 1, 2, and then finally. This is definitely quite scary doing this. Oh God. Okay, we're almost in. There we go. Okay. All right, so although that seems super scary, there is really no damage done to the glasses. Okay. And here you have it. Okay, we've got a little bit of residue from my fingerprints, so VR Wave gives you this lovely, here I'm going to take this off now, we don't need this anymore. So VR Wave gives you a cleaning cloth each time you get one of their lenses, so of course you can clean off your glasses. And just like that, these glasses are now usable. I'll be honest with you, since I got the polarized versions and I've been waiting on these lenses to come, I've not been able to use my glasses because it's been really bad weather here. And now I can use them. Perfect. And they're going to transition in the sunlight. And then if I really go to a scenario where I want to get my polarized glasses in there, I can. And like I said earlier, you can store those nice and safely inside this little case that VR Wave lenses came in, and there you have it. And they have all sorts of different lenses. Like I said, they have transition lenses, they have mirrored lenses. I have a pair of mirrored lenses right here, and they all go in and out the same way. One thing I will say is that this isn't like a solution that you're going to interchange every day. So you're not going to switch out your clear lenses for your polarized lenses. I can imagine over time this plastic is going to get more and more stressed, but we have a version here that should be mirrored, which will give you a different look. They're darker straight out of the gate, so they're not going to be as clear indoors as perhaps these transition lenses. But they have many options. They have other colors too. I would definitely go and check them out. VR Wave, I'll leave a link down in the description below, and I'll also maybe put something here in the video so you can see the website. I highly recommend going and checking them out if you want to get the most use out of your RayBan Meta smart glasses. Not only do VR Wave make replacement lenses for your RayBan Meta smart glasses, they also make accessories as well, like this charging dock. It's basically a nice little metal little desk stand here that goes on like this. Comes with a nice braided USB-C cable, and I guess they fit on like that. So then you have a little stand for your glasses, or on your bedside stand or something like that, where they will just charge and stay charged, and then whenever you want them, you just grab them by the arm, put them on like this. Pretty nifty. Cool. So I want to say thanks for VR Wave for sponsoring this video, and hopefully you learned how to replace your lenses on your RayBan Meta smart glasses. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you want to pick up a pair of the lenses, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below, along with all of the other gear that I use to make these videos. If you can use my affiliate links, it really helps me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.